My name is Enamel Hack and you are watching The Tech Bite. Today I provided Mate 20 Lite Cases Part 2. So let's get started. One cartoon case for Huawei Mate 20 Lite. Two armor case for Huawei Mate 20 Lite. Three tempered glass case for Huawei Mate 20 Lite. 4 mirror smart case for Huawei Mate 20 Lite. 5 shockproof case for Huawei Mate 20 Lite. 'Are you interested in these cases? Why not buy one of these cases from the link in the description. Smile. That's it from this video. Hit subscribe and bell icon to get our daily updates about tech, gaming and tutorials.